Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you create a Viber group. So first of all, just go to your Viber app. Now just click the right violet icon here, this one. Now here you can see in the top, new group or community, just click on it. And after clicking it, you can choose between your contact, just like I'm choosing this one. And after choosing the contacts, just click on the bottom right, this icon here, the arrow icon. And after clicking it, you can just name your group anything you want. Now just click the top right, the arrow icon. Now here you can see I have successfully just created a group in Viber. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.